Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday morning. I slept in today. Yes. I don't know if that's because Robin's not home, because she's in Oakland, or I just slept in, which is kind of weird. It's a very cool morning here. The last time I checked, it was only 59 degrees here in Yuba City, California. What a change. Wow. The house is all opened up. I had it open up before I went to bed last night. Yeah. And it's only going to be in the 80s today. Wow. All right. Because I was home alone last night and I was basically fending for myself, I just went to one of my usual and one of the things I really like to do. It's really kind of comfort food for me. And that is a batch of white rice, a can of sweet peas, some butter, some salt, some pepper, and I used some of the sweet and hot due to Tabasco sauce that I just picked up several weeks ago, just to kind of give it just a little bit of kick. Ate it all, gone. Yeah, no recipe, just threw it together. But yeah, that is one of my favorites. If I'm not using peas, I'm using corn. Something I put together years and years, decades ago. It's comfort food for me. I love it. Tonight, if Robin's got another meeting today in Oakland. So I'm scheduled to do a pasta Aglio Olio. Basically, it's pasta with butter and oil. Let's get to it. Got the hardware. Of course, Dutch oven for the pasta, colander for the pasta. Be using linguine tonight, some kosher salt, some black pepper, grated Parmesan cheese, some good old Clover unsalted butter, some olive oil from California Olive Ranch, some garlic, some flat leaf Italian parsley, and a pinch or two of red chili pepper flakes. Like I said, easy peasy, but it's yummy. Yeah. All right. The cookbook, as you know, is up and running, and I'm one click away from putting the cookbook up on Amazon as an ebook first. Unfortunately, I can't make it free there, but it'll be able to go on Kindle and the other sources for ebooks. Like I said, one click. As soon as I get this up, I'll be. Basically, I had to get the description of the book approved by my wonderful wife. I'm not the writer in the group. I can write recipes, but yeah. But I had some help with that. I had a couple of friends look at it. They all want, some minor changes. But yeah. So, on this Saturday, enjoy the weather if you have good weather today. And have a great day. Eat great food. And have fun cooking.